Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to Brookfield Zoo Chicago in Brookfield, Illinois. So come and join us. Ooh, Brookfield Zoo. Brookfield Zoo is smoke-free. That's good. So this is the map of the zoo. Okay, so we're in the north gate. It's the entrance. They're getting ready for the holidays too, for Halloween and Christmas. Yanni, oh, that's a big gorilla. Huge.
Come on, George.
Okay, the big cats that way. Okay, so lion is here.
Okay, alright, you ready?
There he is.
Look what the dog had. That is cool.
The lion is sleeping.
Okay, come on, see what's this one.
So sleepy. A Moor tiger. Oh, he's sleeping. Okay, a snow leopard. That's how he looks like. There's a snow leopard. See it? Clouded leopard rainforest. Rainforest. See him? He's hiding. No plastic bags. Ayan, no, lumalakad siya. Jump like a cat. Look at him. So cute. Hey, this is sea lion. In there. Okay, this is a California sea lion. Oh, wow. Hello. Hello there. You see how here, Andrew, come here. He's walking here. They're like penguins when they walk. You see how he walks? He's like a penguin. Okay, so you can view the seal underwater.
He's coming again. He's coming again. That was the first one it went to.
They also have a dolphin attraction. Underwater dolphin viewing this way.
Or is it like you can see dolphins?
Dolphins. This is viewing only. Underwater viewing. Ooh. Bottlenose dolphin of the Gulf of Mexico, Indian, Atlantic, Pacific Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea. Beautiful creature. Okay, they have souvenir shops, playgrounds for kids. So we got some popcorn for $6.29. Hey peacock, come on. Show me your feathers. Show me your feathers. He's eating the popcorn. Hi. What's your name? Feather is nice. Okay, that's the Ferris wheel. Up close. Rainbow ice cream. Hamel Family Zoo. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, this is the family petting zoo. Oh, look at the goats. Hey, goats. Oh, they have a reindeer. There they are. Oh, it's a reindeer. Oh, look at its
That looks like it hurts.
antlers. It's like peeling.
Yeah.
He's a big one. Wallabies from Australia. Let's take a look. Wallaby. They look like small kangaroo. There's more over here. They're all huddled up. Hi, Wallaby. Hi there. Parakeets. Okay, let's take a look. Wow, parakeets. Oh, so cute. South Gate, the southern part of the zoo. Nice flowers. Tropical forest. Okay, this is the outdoor. That's nice. Tropic World, South America, Asia, and Africa. We're going to it's a rainforest also. South America. Ooh. Wow. Awesome. America. See any monkeys? Going to Asia. big one. You can see them up in the top, right there. Look at that. It's hanging. I like the bamboos, see? Bamboos are nice. What's in here? We have gibbon, otter, and orangutan. Africa. African monkeys. They have long hair. Nice steps. Okay, we're going to the swamp. The ducks. No. Oh, pink flamingos. So pretty. Flamingos. They are American flamingo. Welcome to Illinois Prairie. This other one. You're a fat one. This one is a fat one. It's a nice building. Conservation Leadership Academy. Nice. Okay, it's penguins this way. Okay, this is the penguins. Let's go inside. Ooh, nice. Where's the stingray? Oh, stingrays. Right there. Wow. Hey there, buddy. Hey, stingray. Sea jellies. Wow. Jellyfish. What is that? Oh, wow. Oh, look at this tiger fish. Wow. It's huge. You guys are huge. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at my hand. Ooh.
More than 1 meter.
It's a big fish. What are these? Oh, gray gull. It's a gray gull.
Okay.
Penguins. Penguins.
Mommy has to learn.
Penguins. Yeah, inside the holes. They're inside the holes. Wow, different penguins. Oh, they're so cute. They're cute. Oh, look at this. Bald eagle, America's symbol. The other one is up there. Yeah, there's another one. Where's the bear? There they are. Oh, how cute. The big bears. Look at him. It's like Aiko and Hana. Yeah, bison. take a look. So the Native American name for the buffalo is Tatanka, Lakota for bull buffalo. It's about 6.5 feet tall. Wow. Yeah, that's the buffalo in the wild. Bison. Buffalo or bison. Yeah. It's right there. See it? Same thing, buffalo. That's them. Habitat of Africa. Let's go this way. Oh, look, giraffe. Wow. There you go. A giraffe. Oh, they have other ones over there. Beautiful animal. Look at that giraffe. So beautiful. Okay, this is the zebras. Where are they? Oops. There they are. The zebras. They look like horses, huh? With stripes. Okay, so these are the camels. Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at my It's a self-service. Look at stuffed animals. So cute. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you all in the next one.